good job. Good morning. Good morning. So I came into work. Doing all this damn coronavirus and all that nonsense. Excuse me, but I wanted to give y'all an update. A little parts update. I haven't been 100% truthful with you guys. So, getting ready for this upcoming car season. I've been ordering parts left and right. Trying to get the things I need to get. And everything is officially here. Everything. And I'm gonna show you guys. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. Matter of fact, we can turn this to a little unboxing. I can show you all the things I got. We can start off here with my carbon fiber fenders. These are completely carbon. I don't know if you guys can see. But these are completely carbon fiber fenders. We got the Diamond Stitch formats. We got the Airlift 3P kit. So those are for my bags. And then we got the suede, this velvety suede. And that's basically going to be on, that's basically going to be on the interior. So the headliner, wrapped suede. The side pillars, wrapped suede. The back, wrapped suede. So no more tan. I wasn't liking the tan on the top of the G37, so I wanted to wrap it. 3P kit. I'm on Teen Flexi coilovers right now, so that's the fitment I'm on if you look at some of my old videos. But it's time to upgrade. Now we're going bags. That's the Airlift 3P kit. Bags, struts, everything. Management, everything. The floor mats, if you guys are interested, leave a comment. I'll give you the link below where I got those floor mats from. And then I got carbon fiber front fenders from Fly One Motorsport is the name of the company that sells them. But a friend of mine in New York had them. With all this coronavirus, it's like a super long wait. So I think it was, if I wanted to order them brand new, it was 13 weeks I had to wait. I wasn't waiting that long. So I found a friend of mine that had them. Super good condition. Really good condition. I drove all the way to New York to go get them. And I was supposed to take my camera yesterday and show y'all the journey of me driving up there. Sorry, I got something on my fucking eye. Show you me driving up there and the journey of me going up there. All the way to New York was like 2 hours and some change. I live in Delaware. I drove all the way up to Yankee Stadium. So big commitment. I needed them. But they're dope though. The carbon fenders, they have the vents, they have the mesh. So everything's perfect, ready to go. Definitely worth it. But it was definitely a little hype. My girl, like I said, Jules hooked me up. Maybe I'll put her Instagram name that gave me those. But she looked out for me big time. Look, she bubble wrapped them. They bubble wrapped. Perfect for transportation. They're cool. Maybe I'll unwrap one later and show y'all.
2 hours later.
It was good, y'all. I was finally able to unwrap the carbon fiber fender. But here's what it looks like right here. Little sneak peek. Got the vents. But here's the whole carbon fiber fender. The condition I told y'all is crazy. Now we got the Diamond Stitch formats. Wrap, real velvet suede. Repeat kit. I was gonna open those, but I'm not gonna open that. It's just gonna be a little too much to open right now. So those in the carbon steering wheel, that's also down there. But I'll show you guys. I post some of those pictures on Instagram. Everything that's here. But look at this, man. Look at this fender. That shit gonna look perfect on there. I can't wait. At this point, everything's here. Oh, I also have a carbon fiber steering wheel. But basically, now I'm just waiting to get everything installed. I got the headliner, so that's what you see on the thing, the headliner. That's getting wrapped in the black. I gotta take out the side pillars. I gotta finish taking those out. The only issue I'm having with now is pulling the what the fuck is it called? Sunroof. The little tan that's like the cover. I gotta get that out. But once that's out, this is gonna be crazy. I'm changing all my gauges. The gauges I had in there now, they cool. They was cool. But it's time to upgrade them, get a better quality gauge. But I'm gonna upgrade the gauges and everything, man. But thank y'all for tuning in. A little bit of an unbox, y'all. Watch how this thing transforms. It's gonna be crazy. Y'all stay safe, stay healthy, and watch out for this coronavirus, y'all. Wear y'all mask if y'all need to. Y'all have a good one.